hear that? It just won't stop raining. I thought it was gonna stop. What is going on, guys? Boy, Tony. Alright, so here's the update. As you can see, yep, it's raining. Yep, it's raining, guys. 2 of my bounces got canceled. Now, we did keep the deposit, as you already know, but the customer get to use that deposit for the next rental. All right, there's nothing we can do. It's raining. Well, can't bring the window down, but I did make a quick stop, guys, because I still have to deliver tables and chairs. I got 20 chairs in the back of this trailer, and I got 3 tables. Yeah, 3 tables. And no, it's 4 tables, my bad. 4 tables. But gotta get this breakfast, you know. So I decided to stop by right here at this gas station. This is one of my favorite gas stations. And this is what we got. Alrighty, guys. As you can see, it is raining. But I just received a text message from one of the customers that canceled. They still want to proceed with the party. They're hoping that the rain stops. Supposedly they checked the forecast, and it might stop raining about after 1 o'clock. Right now it's about 10 o'clock in the morning. So we'll see what happens. Right now I'm on my way to deliver these tables and chairs. So hopefully the rain stops. Now, like I said, the other bouncer did get canceled. They never called me back, but we already got that situated. They already know that the deposit that they deposited, they don't get it back, so they'll have to use it for another rental. But the other customer, you know, they still want to proceed with the party. So we'll see what happens. All right. As you can see, it's kind of ugly out right now, guys. It's kind of ugly outside, but hopefully it gets better, guys. So we'll see. We'll see. So yeah, guys, we'll see what happens. Right now it's just pouring down, but hopefully this rain stops. So yeah, we'll see. It just won't stop raining. All right, so we're almost there, guys. But I'm not gonna lie, I think we needed this rain anyway. It haven't rained for a good minute, and right now the Mississippi River is kind of low. So in a way, we do need this rain. Let the river goes up a little bit. All right, guys. So I already talked to the customer. So let's unload it. Let's start unloading, all right? Let's do it. Okay, so I'm unloading the chairs. Now, check it out. Sun's coming out. So, yeah. Just a little bit of rain, that's all we had. So, let's go ahead and unload that. 4 tables and 20 chairs. Let's do it. Right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20 chairs. I need 1 more table. It's 1, 2, 3. All right, let's do it. So let's go ahead and collect the payment. All right, let's do it.
A few moments later.
You hear that? It just won't stop raining. I thought it was gonna stop. So now it continued to back raining again. Now we do need this weather. We haven't had no rain for almost a month. I think we only had one time that it rained for that month, and that's it. It was just a little bit of rain, a little sprinkle. But we do need this rain, guys. But not right now, guys. This is my money day. Why it had to be my money day? So I already talked to the other customer. She said if the weather stops, they still want to continue. They still want to continue doing their event for the bounce house. Now I already dropped off the tables and chairs to this house. So now we're gonna go get some gas. Now the party for the quinceañera starts at 4 o'clock. So hopefully I got a chance to go over there so I can do a video. I want to help Chelsea. Chelsea's gonna be over there assisting the photo booth and making sure everything's running fine. So I might go over there for a little minute, make sure everything's running good. But I'm taking care of this bouncer. Well, I'm taking care of the chairs. And I don't know about this weather, guys, but hopefully it stops. All right. So let's go get some gas, and I'll see you later, guys. All right. Let's go. Cause this rain don't want to stop. It's raining again. It won't stop. Look at that. I guess we're gonna title this video "Delivering on a Rainy Day." Now this is nothing new for my Florida people. I know y'all used to this. I've been to Florida a couple times, and I know what it is. It rains. It just rains when it feels like it. But here in Memphis, this is crazy weather for us. So I'm gonna roll out, guys. I'm gonna go get some gas. So let's get it.
Saturday.
So we're here at the customer house. Finally cleared up, as you can see. So now we're gonna go ahead and set up the bounce house. All right. So now I'm gonna charge my phone, guys. Now let me call the customer, let her know I'm outside, and I'm gonna charge my phone, and probably gonna show you after the setup, you know, everything. Okay. So let me get started. All right. Let's go. So we're finally done with the bounce house. Now it's time to go home, take a shower, and go to the quinceañera. But I'm gonna show you something, guys. I clearly told the customer, no pets. That's one thing I'm very strict about, no pets. I gotta take this cone to the back anyway. Let's see. There you go. Gotta take this cone to the back. But everything's already set up. Guys, so for breakfast we got my boy, well, my brother-in-law, because I went truck driving with him the about 2 weeks ago, about 3 weeks ago, I think. Well, last month. And you know, truck drivers eat it anywhere. They go to the gas stations, truck stops, and they eat everything. So he got me hooked into these gizzards. They're pretty good, guys. I know it sounds nasty. Oh, and we got some tamales. Check this out. My brother-in-law told me, hey, make sure you get some tamales too, because they're pretty good. So we're gonna try them out. And they're nice and warm. Woo, they're hot. That's pork and that's chicken. Let's flip the camera around. We're gonna do this real quick because I still gotta go to the customer house. So let's take a bite. Here is the gizzard. All right, here we go. It's pretty good. Yeah. Just try the tamale. Here's the tamale. Let me unwrap it. Check this out. We're unwrapping that tamale, guys. I ain't had tamales in a long time, and as you can see, this one is nice and hot. Ooh, look at that. So my brother-in-law was telling me that these tamales are good. We're gonna see if they're really that good, because only tamales that I know they're good is my mom's and grandma's. So as you can see, it looks good, nice and fresh. It's really hot. All you gotta do is take out this corn peel, whatever you call it. We call it hoja de elote. See. So let's go in. Let's break it so y'all can see. Ooh, it's hot. I can't even get it, guys. This thing is hot. There you go. Flip the camera around. Guys, here we go. Good. This is pork tamale. Look at that. Here we go. You see that steam coming out? Still hot. But it's pretty good. It's pretty good, guys. Not bad. Here we go. This one's good. Yeah. Now, I know what you're thinking. It's gotta be hot. It's not hot. It's not spicy. Yeah, it's hot, but it's not spicy. Better than that. Here we go. Damn, this tomato is good. I have to say, she's close to my mom. My mom made some pretty good tamales. These ones are good too. Yeah. Now we're gonna try the chicken one. Alright. Here we go. Check this out, guys. I kind of destroyed this one, but this is the chicken tamale. We're gonna go in, guys. Go in. Here we go. It's good. I like the pork one better though. Here we go. Yeah, I like the pork one better. It got a lot of chicken though. Here we go. No, I'm not gonna lie. My mom's chicken tamales, way better. But the red one, the pork, it was pretty good. This one, it's good, but it ain't all that. All right, guys. Well, I'll see you at the customer location. I just want to eat some breakfast, but we're finna go now. Here's the gizzards. I'll save these for later. I'm already full. So let's go get it, guys. Let's go. Get done dropping all these tables and chairs. I gotta go back home, shower up, dress up, because I'm going to the quinceañera event. Yesterday I was there all day, you know, just putting the table cloth, the chair cloth, all. It's like I did about 400 tables, I think. But it was a long day. We got it done. Now Chelsea, and my mom, the other crew, they're making sure everything is. They're giving it the little final touches. Chelsea's making sure the photo booth is running right. I told her, hey, look, you need to go right now. Make sure it's running right. We don't need no problems. So I'll be there in a minute. Once we drop all these tables and chairs, and I'm gonna get. Hopefully, I get some video shoot for y'all. Now I do have another video that I haven't uploaded for the photo booth, guys. I know y'all been waiting for that, and I know some of y'all want to know how we operate it, what's the process and all that. So y'all stay tuned for that. All right.